Dear scholars, here is our next lesson which is titled as 1.4 The King's Choice. This is the lesson about setting up the court, uh, having the different courtiers, then further how the courtiers of the king deceives him, and further how the king gets a true friend. Moreover, the statement to be king is good but to be kind is better. So how this statement is really good one. These all things we have to learn through this lesson. So let's not waste much of time and begin learning this lesson. Here we go with the lines. First line. There was once a lion who was king of the forest. As you all know, generally in the stories, the lion is considered as the king of forest. The king in this forest, or the lion in this forest, he was big and strong and very fierce. So these are the three qualities of the king lion. He was big, he was strong, and he was very fierce. Here fierce means angry and aggressive. Here you have margin question. Guess the meaning of fierce in this context. So fierce means angry and aggressive. AGGRESSIVE. So he was very strong, big and very fierce. What is further? All the other animals in the forest called him king. They brought him, see, as he was a king, all the animals brought him gifts from every corner of the forest. So, to make the king happy, please, all the animals in that forest used to bring him many of the gifts from every corner of the forest. What is further? But more the lion had, the more he wanted. So, as the animals in the forest just giving him many of the gifts, uh, he started becoming greedier and greedier. And so, the statement is given here, but the more the lion had, the more he wanted. Let me provide you another example of such a type of sentence. The more marks he achieved, the more studious he became. Okay, let us see further. A king must have a court, he said to himself one day. The king, Lion King, he told himself, or he thought to himself that he must have a court. What is court? Here, king's court means a council of wise men, advisors, helpers, so that he could have solution over every problem. He could have many new ideas to battle and all that. So, as his idea was to have the court, let us see the question based on this idea. Why must a king have a court? So, Lion King had different ideas in his mind to have a court, but in general, kings used to have court. What is it for? It is for to do justice with the subjects, with the people in his kingdom, to administrate his kingdom, then to discuss his ideas, his plans with the courtiers, and to plan the war strategies and many more things. So these are some of the things for which the king must have a court. So here Lion King, he decided to have a court, and for the same he started appointing some of the courtiers. So at first he called a fox to his side. So his first courtier was a fox. Why he appointed him? Let us see. You are known to be a wise and clever creature. Fox, said the lion, I want you to be my advisor. So, as the fox is considered to be wise and clever, so these are the qualities of this fox. He was wise and clever, and so the king, who was needed advisor as the wise and clever, he appointed Fox as his advisor. So he got the first courtier, that was advisor, and it was animal a fox, as he had the qualities of wisdom and cleverness. Thank you, your majesty, said the fox, bowing low. The fox was also happy to be the advisor of the Lion King. What is further? The lion next called a leopard to his side. You are known to be watchful and swift of foot, leopard. I want you to be my bodyguard. Then the king appointed the second courtier. It was a leopard. He appointed leopard as his bodyguard. Why? Because he had qualities. What qualities? That is, he was watchful and swift of foot. Here, swift of foot means very quick in running and moving. Thank you, your majesty, said the leopard, bowing low. He was also happy to be the bodyguard or the courtier of the Lion King. Then further, the lion then called a vulture. Vulture, a bird, one of the birds. What do we call? Gidhad in Marathi and Gidh in Hindi. So the picture of this bird is given on page number 11. You could see over there. So he called vulture, one of the birds, and what he said: you are a bird, vulture, and can fly high. You are to be my messenger. So in olden days, in ancient times, pigeons specially were used as the messengers by the kings, right? So vulture had a quality of flying high, so the Lion King appointed him as his messenger. So in this way, see the next line first. Thank you, your majesty, said the vulture, bowing low. And vulture was also happy to be the courtier of the Lion King. The fox, the vulture, and the leopard took an oath of loyalty to the king. The king promised them, the king promised to give them food and protection. So in this way, the Lion King got three of his courtiers, that is fox as his advisor, leopard as his bodyguard, vulture as his messenger. And these three of the courtiers took an oath of loyalty. What is oath of loyalty? Here oath means promise and loyalty means honesty, right? But oath of loyalty, this is the phrase, it means a formal promise to be loyal, to be honest to somebody or something. So they decided to be honest to the Lion King. And in return, the king, Lion King, promised them for giving food and protection. Here in margin we have question. Let us see it. What qualities are necessary in the following? Why? In general, if there is a king, so what quality that king should have? Let me tell you: leadership, wisdom, just. These are some of the qualities. You can add some more. Why it was so? Why he needs such qualities? The king should the king has to lead his kingdom. The king has to lead the courtiers, the soldiers, especially during wars. He has to protect the subjects or the people in his kingdom from the enemy. So, and moreover, he has to do justice with the people, so that he should have the qualities like leadership, just wisdom, again bravery, right? Next, advisor. Advisor should be intelligent. He should have knowledge, foresight, right? Why? Because he has to give good advice to the king. He should have foresight to imagine the future of the kingdom, and accordingly you can add some more. Next, bodyguard. Bodyguard should be strong, courageous, loyal or honest, right? Why? Because he has to protect the king from the enemy, right? So he should have such a qualities, and you can add more. Next, messenger. Messenger should be punctual. He should have speed. Then he should have strength. And what is this for? That is, he has to deliver the message in time, and so he should have such a strength to run or to walk accordingly and reaching in time, so that he should be punctual, right? So these are the qualities in general. All these courtiers, all these people in the kingdom must have. Let us see the further part of the story. So, as the three courtiers taken the oath of loyalty, here is the question: what is oath of loyalty? I repeat, it is a formal promise to be loyal or honest to somebody or something. Here we go with the next paragraph. For some time, all went well in the court of the Lion King. The three courtiers never opposed the king. His wishes were law. Whenever he rode, they stood in awe. Whenever he took a walk, they followed him. Here, awe means feeling of fear. So, whenever the Lion King used to call them, used to take some advice from them, they were ever ready to do provide help, and so did the same. They walked with him, they followed him, and whenever he used to rode, they were in fear, feeling of fear, that is awe. Further, here we have margin question. Write and read aloud the oath that each of the courtiers must have taken. You might have watched on TV that after having the new government, how the different ministers take the oath to rule the state or the country, right? So, accordingly, we have to imagine what oath each of the courtier would have taken. So just like the king should be just, wise, he should have leadership, right? So the king can take the oath that I will I will protect the king. Sorry, I will protect all the subjects in my uh, kingdom, in my empire. I will do justice with them. I will solve their problems, and I will lead in the war time, especially. Then the advisor. So he can take advice that I will give good advice, proper advice to the king to take the proper decisions. Bodyguard, I will take care of the king, I will protect him. Again you can add something more. And the last one, that is the messenger, that I will be punctual, I will deliver the message in time, I will remain honest. So in this way they can take the oaths. What is further? When the lion king went hunting, they found the animals for him to kill. So these three of the courtiers used to find the animals, and so that the lion could hunt easily. And after he had his meal, he left the remains for them. So they always had enough to eat. So after hunting, lion used to eat up, and remaining part was offered to the three of the courtiers, and so three of the courtiers used to get enough to eat. One day the vulture came back from a flight. Your Majesty, have you ever eaten a camel? He asked. It is very tasty. I ate it once in the desert. So it was his idea that he was asking Lion King to enjoy camel's meat. Let us see further. The lion had never seen a camel, but he liked the idea of trying camel's meat. But where can we get a camel? He asked. There is a desert some miles away. Miles is one of the measurements. 1 mile stands for 1609 meters. So it is more than 1.5 kilometers away from that place, said the vulture. I was flying over it when I saw a lone camel not far away. It looked big and fat. Here lone means only one. So vulture had seen only one camel in the desert, and that camel was big and fat. So he gave the idea to try camel's meat. Then what the lion did? The lion looked at his other advisors, that is towards the leopard and the fox. They were wise and experienced. He wanted their opinion. He asked them to give opinions. Now the fox and the leopard did not know the desert. See, they did not know the desert, but they did not want the vulture to seem wiser than them. So what they did? So they said, since it was the vulture's idea, he should lead the way. It means they were ready to go for hunting camel. They were ready to try camel's meat. So saying this, they just simply advise the lion to do that hunting, to go for trying camel's meat. So based on this paragraph, here we have few of the margin questions. Let us see them. Here is the first. Why was the vulture told to lead the way? See, the fox and the leopard told the vulture to lead the way. What is the reason behind it? First reason, it was the idea of vulture, right? Second reason, the fox and the leopard had never been to the desert. They didn't know the way. And third reason, they did not want the vulture to seem wiser than them. So these are the three reasons. So they asked the vulture to lead the way. Next, why had the lion never seen a camel? Generally we know that lions live in jungles, and camel that is uh, that is found in everywhere, but especially people living in desert regions, they have camels over there. So why had the lion never seen the camel? So simply, the lion had never been to desert, right? Next, third one, what advice did the fox and the leopard give? Was it based on good and sound thinking? So actually or directly, they didn't give any advice on trying camel's meat. But what they did, they just simply said, since it was the vulture's idea, he should lead the way. So through this sentence or through this dialogue, we can understand they just simply advise the lion to go to hunt the camel, to try a camel's meat, right? So they advised the lion to hunt the camel and told the vulture to lead the way, right? So this is the answer of the first half of the question. Was it based on sound thinking, sound and good thinking? So definitely no, it was not based on good and sound thinking, because walking to desert would be really difficult or impossible for the lion. So it was not based on the good and sound thinking. So this is enough in this video, where we came to know about the lion, history of the courtiers, their qualities, and then the idea of trying camel's meat. What happens in further part of the story, we will see through the next video. I hope you all might have understood this much explanation of the little part of this story.